Hi, I'm Dr. Adam Roussel with Riverbend Chiropractic in Destrehan. I have my patient David here. And David, tell us a little bit about what's going on.
So I usually have issues trying to sleep at night. My feet, lower back bothering me, feet tingling. Usually it hurts fairly well at the bottom of the lower back. I've been coming in for about 3 weeks. I've been getting a lot of improvement doing adjustments and whatnot. I also have herniated disc in my neck, which you also help with, which has also improved since I've been coming in. Like to continue with what we're doing, so it's definitely been a help.
Good deal. Let's do an adjustment. We're going to start with a little cox flexion distraction. We're going to get some distraction and decompression in his lower back. So I'm going to stretch him out here, okay? Any discomfort with that, Dave?
What's that?
Any discomfort with this?
No, it's just a little tense from this past weekend, so.
That the whole lower back?
Yeah.
And now lift the right leg straight in the air. Okay, how about the left? Is there one that's tougher than the other?
The left again.
The left side. All right, cross that left over the right. Do the drop here, okay?
Okay.
This is just putting motion between the sacrum and the ilium, the sacroiliac joint with each drop. It's going to move that bone about 1 millimeter at a time. All right, uncross here, David. I'm going to let's bend the knee.
Okay.
I'll lift up here. Okay. All right, let's lift the right again. All right, how about the left?
Yeah, it's a little easier.
There's a change there?
Yeah, a little bit.
Okay. All right, let's lay on your right side. All right, let's bend this top leg, bottom leg straight. Let's cross over just like that.
Okay.
And relax here. All right, let's go to the other side.
Yeah, all right.
All right, bend here, bottom leg straight. Let's cross over just like this. And relax. There we go. A little bit there. Let's go on your back.
Yeah, I felt it crack.
You felt it?
Yeah.
All right, relax this leg right here. I'm gonna pull and distract the hip joint. All right, let's do this side. That was a nice one, huh?
Mm-hmm.
And let's scoot down. I'm gonna do this wide strap on you, okay? Okay. Keep going a little bit more. And lift your head up here. Good. Okay. Does that feel okay on your jaw and cheeks? All right, just relax. I'm gonna distract here.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
You felt that in your spine?
Yeah, down the middle of my back.
Good. You felt in the neck at all?
Yeah, from about the neck down to below the shoulder blades.
Good. Scoot up just a little bit.
Alright.
I'm gonna adjust your neck here, okay? And so now we have David on the traction decompression machine, and we have it set at a certain weight, and what it's doing is it's stretching his lower back. It's giving him a gentle stretch and taking some pressure off of the disc in his lower back. And David, let him know what it's done for your feet there.
So after being on the machine, it takes a few repetitions of doing it. It has released pressure on the lower back and felt less of the tingling while trying to sleep at night in my feet.